So you want to make money on YouTube? Well, I'm about to give you 5 ways that I've generated income on this platform over my years and years and years of uploading. And I just want to let you know right now, this isn't no like get rich quick, or it's not easy, or just you do one thing and this happens. It's a lot of work. It's a grind, but I'm gonna walk y'all through it and let you guys know how I make money on YouTube. I'm gonna call this one YouTube money. What's up, everybody? This is DDS, and I've been uploading to YouTube for over a decade now. It's crazy to even think about that I've been on here this long. Not on this channel though, but on my main channel, DDS 825. I was going through uploading music, uploading graphic design work, uploading video game stuff, uploading all type of different stuff over the years. But I've been monetized since 2012. The end of 2012 is when I got monetized. So I'm going to go through and tell you guys the whole process and even some things I've learned since then that you don't even have to get monetized for. So let's go ahead and get started. Number one, and the most popular way that people think of when it comes to making money on YouTube is ads. It's simply like, you go to watch a video, you might see an ad before it, ad in the middle, maybe a few ads depending on how long the video is, and then you see an ad at the end. When those ads are placed, companies are paying YouTube to place those ads on these videos. Now from there, YouTube shares a percentage of that with the creators if they are in the YouTube Partner Program. Now, what is the YouTube Partner Program? The YouTube Partner Program is the program you have to apply for, and then once you get accepted into it, you will begin being able to run ads on your videos and make money from it. Getting into the YouTube Partner Program is not an easy task. It can be done, but it's not easy. The requirements are you need at least 1,000 subscribers, and then you will need to generate at least 4,000 watch hours on your channel within 365 days. It is a lot of work to get that done, but once you have that done, you can go ahead and apply, and what you can apply, you will then be more than likely accepted, depending on the content, I guess. But for the most part, it seems like people get accepted into it, and you will begin to generate money on your videos when you place ads on them. Once you are accepted into the partner program, you have to make sure your content is appropriate for monetization, because you can't be putting wild videos up here and think advertisers are going to want to run ads on your videos. It's going to be something crazy. You got to make sure that it is appropriate for that. I know some people say you shouldn't cuss, some people say you shouldn't talk about this, and people say you shouldn't talk about that. But when you upload your videos to YouTube, there's a checklist there that you will have to go through to make sure that you are telling them that what your video is about, and if it deals with any sensitive subjects. And then from there, I guess that helps them determine which ads, or if it's ad friendly and all of that stuff. For my general rule of thumb is I don't really talk about anything crazy. I don't cuss on YouTube, and then that's pretty much my rule of thumb right there. And then also keep this in mind, ads go up and down depending on the time of year, your niche that you choose, all of that. Because if you're dealing with a niche, for me, like I make music videos on my main channel. Somebody may make these type of videos that I'm doing now are financial videos, and then I get double the amount of views than they get. But when it comes down to ads, they're getting triple the amount of money off of ads than what I get on my end. So you have to pick a niche. If you're doing this just for money, pick a niche that you feel people are interested in, and that the people who are interested in it have money, because then the advertisers will go ahead and spend more money in your niche. And once the holidays hit, that money goes up. And then when it comes January, February, that money comes back down. So it really fluctuates depending on the time of year and things of that nature. So that's something you guys could do more research on. If you want me to do another video on it, let me know. The second way I want to talk about making money on YouTube is super chats. If you aren't familiar with super chats are a feature for monetized channels where you will have a live stream going and people can donate to your channel. I've seen live streams where people have generated thousands of dollars in one live stream, generated thousands of dollars in super chats. Their audience is just showing support by sending in donations. Now, there are some good and bad to this. The good to it is this super chat is a great way to generate income fast. Like I said, on a live stream, somebody could generate $1,000, $2,000. That same live stream, if they didn't have super chats, might have only generated $20, $30 a month or something like that in ad revenue, if that. So it is a fast way to make money, but the bad side of it is YouTube takes about 30% of each super chat. So say I'm doing this video live. Say this is a live stream right now. You know, I'm live. What's up, everybody? And then somebody decides to donate $100. They're taking $100 out of their pocket to give it to me. That's not how it goes. YouTube takes the money and then takes their 30% and then gives me the rest of it. So now I'm at $70 and I still have to set some of that money aside for tax purposes and things of that nature. So super chats are cool, but I do want to let people know out there, when you are donating, be aware that YouTube is taking huge chunks of that. Now, there are some requirements for getting super chats and things of that nature. Like I said, you have to be monetized and all of that, but also I want to tell you guys ways that you can work around this where you do not have to be monetized on YouTube to get this done. Alternatives to super chats are simply, you can put your Cash App in the description of your live stream or a PayPal address like paypal.me, and then your audience will be able to make donations to you 100% fee free, like the YouTube fee and all that stuff. If it's a fee, you know, it'll only be a couple dollars or something like that from Cash App or PayPal. So those are ways you can work around it and start making money on your own. The next way you can make money on YouTube is your merch. So depending on your audience size and things of that nature, merch is a great way to make some income, and make sure you have good merch too, by the way. Don't just be like some crazy stuff. But when you're making videos, you could simply put on your merch. Like say I'm selling these t-shirts. Say I have like a cool logo and drawing or saying or something on there. I could sell these shirts, and from there, I'm generating income. That doesn't take you to be monetized on YouTube. You can literally set up your own website, tell people in the description or in your video, hey, check out my shirt. If you want to buy this, click the link in the description. And if they support you enough and they're interested in getting it, they will go get it, and you're generating income using YouTube without being monetized. So for me personally, I've had t-shirts, hoodies. I believe on my main channel, when you watch some of my videos, you will see that I have a merch store under the video. I used Teespring, who is like embedded with YouTube. I think you have to get like 10,000 subscribers or something like that to start doing that. But once you hit that threshold, you can sign up for it and the store will be under your videos. Me personally, merch isn't really a big income stream for me. I've made some money with it, but I really don't push it that hard because my mind is on other things. But it doesn't have to be shirts though. You can make anything. You can make boxes if you want to. You can do whatever it is you want to. But for me, it just wasn't my main thing. But again, it's a good way to make some income. Now, this is a great way to make income using the YouTube platform. It's not directly on YouTube. It's your products off of YouTube. One of the best things about this is you develop this product yourself. You have 100% ownership in it, unless you work with a partner or another company or things of that nature. And from there, you just sell the product on YouTube. You can make commercials for it. An example of this is when I make music on my machine. I'm showing you guys how I use machine. So a lot of these people, when they watch these videos, they will come and ask me, yo, how did you do this? How do you do that? Or can you show me how to do this and stuff like that and things like that. What I did was I developed a machine course, which is online. So whenever somebody asks me in the comments about it, I throw them to that. Say, here, check this out. And then at the end of my videos, I say, if you need help using machine, click here and you will go to my course. So that is a way you can promote products on YouTube in your videos. Don't have to be monetized. You're promoting it yourself. You get the earnings. It's a product you have, passive income for the most part, unless you're selling something that you have to build and things of that nature. Now that is some of my biggest income right there, is the products I have off of YouTube that I promote using YouTube. Personally, I believe YouTube is the best platform to market because so many people search things on YouTube. People spend hours on YouTube. YouTube is on television. YouTube is on your phone, iPad. YouTube is everywhere. So I believe it's the best place to market. Now, the fifth way of making money on YouTube is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is fairly popular, but I still feel like a lot of people don't really understand it and they don't really get involved in it. You don't need to be monetized to get involved with affiliate marketing. You can have one subscriber, to get involved with it. Affiliate marketing is basically where you promote a product, a service, a website, whatever, and you get a commission for that. You can go sign up at Amazon.com with their affiliate program and get started with that right away. I told my wife to do that and she generated some money. I showed her how to do it. She put up some videos, she put links to everything, and she generated some income off of that. And she's not monetized on her latest channel just yet. So that means anybody could get started with this. There is no, you need 1,000 subscribers for 1,000 hours of watch time. You can go to these websites and do that. So one of the best things about this is you do not have to develop the product yourself. You don't have to build anything. Literally, I like this Apple Pencil case. I'm going to tell you guys about it and why it's the best Apple Pencil case. You go buy this Apple Pencil case, and then anything else that you buy while you buy this Apple Pencil case, as long as you click my link, I end up getting a percentage of that. So for example, I had someone buy some cables that I was talking about on my music channel, and they ended up doing like their grocery list at the same time that they bought the cables. So I got a percentage of the cables and then all of the groceries they bought. So that worked out pretty well. I appreciate you for doing that. And there's people out there that make thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars a month off of affiliate marketing alone. Me personally, it does count for a nice percentage of my income, but it's not the biggest. Like I said, the biggest for me is the products off of YouTube. I've personally worked with about 4 or 5 companies on a regular basis, all together companies that's here and there. I probably worked with like 8 or 9 of them. And really it's just different products, different things that they come up with. And if you're good at it, you know, you can reach out to other companies and say, hey, I've done affiliate marketing with this. How could I work with you guys? That's what I do when I find a new company I would like to work with. Don't let monetization be the only way you think you can make money on YouTube. If you are a creator out there, just try some of these ways. Try a product, try some merch. If you have people interested in your merch, try affiliate marketing. Like I said, affiliate marketing is one of my favorites because you don't have to develop anything. You just take the stuff you like and then share it. Don't let monetization stop you, because I know a lot of us are grinding to try to get to that monetization point. Even with this channel right here, as of me filming this on July 20th, 2021, happy birthday to my mama, because it's her birthday. I'm not monetized on this channel. I'm monetized on my main channel, but when you create a new channel, you have to go through it all again. So I'm not monetized yet. So I'm going through it, but best believe I'm sharing my affiliate links, even down to like the microphones I'm using and everything. It's all listed in the description, the iPad, the phone, everything. So don't let that stop you. Go ahead, get started on your journey. You can make money on YouTube too, without being monetized. And like I told you before, being monetized, the money fluctuates, and you want something a little bit stable. Maybe get some multiple streams of income. If you don't really know about multiple streams of income, check out this video right up over here and learn about my streams of income. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Have a great day out there, y'all.